Hello everyone, let's dive into the Panasonic RP-HF300M-A on-ear headphones. These foldable headphones come in a stylish two-tone blue and black design, offering a blend of aesthetics and practicality. Right off the bat, the foldable design is a huge plus for portability. They easily tuck away into a bag without taking up too much space, making them ideal for commuters or anyone on the go. The RP-HF300M headphones feature large 30mm neodymium drivers, which are responsible for delivering the sound. Panasonic has also incorporated an acoustic bass control filter. The combination aims to provide sharp bass tones alongside clear treble and vocals. The frequency response ranges from 10 Hz to 23 kHz. During testing, the bass is definitely present without being overpowering, and the higher frequencies remain crisp and clear. The impedance is rated at 26 ohm, making them easy to drive with smartphones, tablets, and laptops without needing a dedicated amplifier. These headphones also include an inline microphone and call controller, adding to their functionality. The microphone quality is decent for phone calls and video chats. The call controller allows you to answer and end calls, as well as control music playback with a single button. The 3.9 feet audio cord provides ample length for comfortable use without being excessively long and tangly. The on-ear design sits comfortably without excessive pressure. The ear cups are adequately padded, allowing for extended listening sessions without discomfort. The adjustable headband ensures a snug and secure fit for various head sizes. The Panasonic RP-HF300M headphones are compatible with iPhones, BlackBerry devices, and Android devices, making them a versatile option for a wide range of users. These headphones offer a good balance of sound quality, portability, and functionality at an affordable price point. If you're looking for a budget-friendly pair of headphones for everyday use, the Panasonic RP-HF300M-A is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.